Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If not, welcome back. Today I have a very exciting video. Yes, I know I say that often, but ta-da! So I've seen quite a few people unbox this on YouTube already, but so far I've only seen where they have like the big, I think it's called the Supreme box, which is $160. There's also the smallest one. Sorry, my husband just left. There is also the smallest one, I think, which is the premium or the deluxe. Ooh, I'm not sure. I tried to look it up online, but I couldn't find it anymore. So I know that the Supreme is a large one for $160, which should have 13 items. This box is, I believe, the deluxe, which is 8 items, and then the small one is $40, and I believe that is the premium box. And this one, I think, was $75. But I could be wrong. I also tried to look up the price. I bought it in such a rush that, to be honest, I was like, take my money. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's right on top. So first thing that I see in the box is this Liquid Frost liquid highlighter in the shade Goddess. This is definitely going to be way too dark for me, but this color looks beautiful. I love the color of the packaging. So this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This is stunning. Definitely way too dark for me, but I'm sure I can find a use for it. Also, if you can hear the shower, I'm so sorry. My husband is taking a shower right now, so sorry about that in the background. I got my box in the small size. I saw in the Supreme box, which is the biggest box, that they got a tracksuit, and I'm kind of jealous because it's just such a beautiful color. But this is the shirt, and it says, "Can't relate." Oh, this is so cute. So it says, "Can't relate," and then it has the hand. His shirts that come in the box are so long that I could wear them as dresses, no joke, with some boots. So I think I might do that. But look how cute that is. There's no logo anywhere that I can see, which I don't mind, but that is so cute. I will definitely be wearing this with some thigh-high boots. It's happening. So yay. Wish I got the tracksuit, but the shirt will do. Wow, this is so pretty. So this packaging though, I love the black with the orange. So pretty. And this is a Skin Frost in the shade Mystery Frost. Oh, cool. Mystery Frost. The other box that I got, I've only ever gotten one other mystery box, and I was highly disappointed. Then again, it was the smallest one. It was only like $40. But I got not a Skin Frost, it was the smaller ones than this, but look how beautiful. So that's the shade name, just Mystery Frost. But like this compact is the size of my face. Wow, you guys, look at this. It's like marbled with black flecks and orange. How cool is that? Let's swatch this bad boy. Wow, this is so pretty. So here is what the swatch looks like. It is so pretty. It's like a golden highlight, but you could make it more orange if you wanted to by swirling it more, your brush more in the orange side, but that is so freaking cool. There are like specks of black in there. Come on, focus. Like, look how stunning that is. That is so pretty. I am so excited about that. No freaking way, guys. I am loving this box already. There is a gloss. I have been wanting to try his glosses for so long just because I'm obsessed with his lip liners and lipsticks. He has probably one of the best liquid lipstick formulas out there. They are a little bit drying, but if you prep your lips correctly before and really make sure that you have, that you exfoliate and that you put like a lip treatment, his lipsticks are amazing. And this gloss is huge. It's similar packaging to like the Pat McGrath in the sense that it's kind of like a weightier kind of component. But you guys, I'm so freaking excited. So the lip gloss is in the shade Sky High, which is just like a clear white gloss, but you can tell it's got like blue and gold reflex in there. Swatch this for you. The component is just stunning. Like, look at that. So pretty. So this definitely is a like top coat, but it's very, very blue. So it's got like blue and gold reflex, but so pretty. Like, look at that. So pretty. Let's put some on top of the lipstick that I have now. This could turn out horribly wrong, but you never know. Let me find a mirror first in this black hole that is my desk. I'm just gonna dab this on in the center. That is so pretty. I said I was gonna dab this on and then I ended up putting it all over my lips. So pretty. So here is the next item. Now I do know what this item is just because it's come in both of the other boxes, but I'm still stoked nonetheless. So with Jeffree Star products, I have never tried any of his eyeshadows. Actually, I lied. I bought the Morphe X Jeffree Star one, the pink one that just came out not too long ago, but that's more, I feel like, a mix between the formulas just because it's Morphe pricing with Jeffree's name on it. So I am so very excited to get this. It is so cute, and this packaging, it's kind of like raised. It's the mini Jawbreaker palette, and this is definitely more on the purple side. Like, look how cute the packaging is. It's so pretty. And then this is what the palette looks like. So definitely very purpley pink, which I don't mind. I don't have too many palettes other than the, obviously, Morphe Jeffree Star one, but this is so pretty. And then it's got a decent sized mirror there. I'll swatch a couple of the shades for you. And the pan sizes are so big, like you're never gonna hit pan unless you use this like every day. Like, look how stunning those are. And there are 3 shimmers, and that's what they look like. So there are only 2 lip products in this box, which I'm not too mad about. There is a liquid lipstick in the shade Soft Serve, which seems to be like a very light peachy shade. Oh, it's more pinkish. You guys know I am not too big of a fan of pink, but let's just see. There you go. It's actually darker swatch than it looks in the tube. It is still a little too pinky for me, so I would probably go in with a darker or nude lip liner just to kind of take it down a notch. And that, again, is Soft Serve. And then I have a lip ammunition in the shade Candy Freeze, which looks to be a purpley shade. I love this kind of like neon green packaging. So pretty. So it comes in like the typical kind of bullet component. I've never tried a lip ammunition, so super excited. Wow. So it's super metallic. Don't know that I would ever really use this. It's not too opaque actually, so it's definitely very, very glittery. I would probably use this as a lip topper and just kind of dab it, but still very pretty. I'm not gonna get too much use out of it, but with Halloween being right around the corner, who knows, I might pick it up. And you guys, the final product in this giant box is another box. I'm loving this orange black color theme. Oh, now I can't get it out. Ta-da! This is Jeffree's mirror, and I am so freaking excited. I need to go find a razor. Got the razor. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. I'm excited to see if I got the black one or the orange one. I don't think I'd be mad at either one. Let's look together, guys. It's the orange one. Oh, sorry about my double chin there. This is such a beautiful color. I wish it came off true on camera. I mean, it kind of is, but it's so pretty. And this is, I don't have a handheld mirror, so this is pretty cool. But yeah, so freaking cool. I don't mean to blind you guys, but like, so cool. So those are all of the items in the box. Like I said, I believe this was $75, if I'm not mistaken. But I am so excited about what I got in this mystery box. Like I said, the last mystery box that I got, I wasn't too happy about. There's only like one thing that I felt like I would really use, other than the shirt. That mystery box came with a shirt. So overall, I am through the roof about this mystery box. Don't know who says that anymore, or why I even said that. But anyways, so excited. The only thing I probably won't use very often is this Liquid Frost, and it's only because it's like 3 shades too dark. So if you have a darker complexion, you would probably love this. So I'll probably just give this to a friend of mine or keep it. I don't know how much use I'll actually get out of it, but everything else, super excited about. Oh, and also this lip ammunition I probably won't use very often. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to my video. If you are wondering about this super creative, cool eyeshadow look, I do have a video on it as well. I believe it's already up, so I'll try and link it in the cue cards above or down below. But thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video, and until next time, bye guys.